and to all my students, I'm making video for you all. This SYJ student, you all listen this video, you will get good marks in your exam. See, first of all, as I'm an account lecturer, have an experience of teachings of account. So, first of all, I tell you one thing: account is a very practical subject. You don't need to get scared about. You can easily score a good marks in your accounts. But one thing is this: first things, you must smile. you know Always do the work in a smiling mood. Never get frustrated, and never uh, be an upset in upset mood. You cannot complete your accounts. First things, what do you need to do that? First of all, you must acquaint it with the balance sheet. आपको बैलेंस शीट का नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बैलेंस शीट का मतलब क्या होता है? देखिए, मैक्सिमम प्लेसेस पे अगर आप 12th स्टैंडर्ड की पढ़ाई अगर आप देखेंगे, तो आप देखिए रिटायरमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर में बैलेंस शीट की बनाने की बात आती है. एडमिशन्स ऑफ पार्टनर की अंदर बैलेंस शीट की प्रिपरेशंस होती है. फाइनल अकाउंट में बैलेंस शीट की प्रिपरेशंस होती है. एंड नॉन प्रॉफिट कंसर्न में बैलेंस शीट की प्रिपरेशंस होती है. एंड ऑल्सो कंपनीज अकाउंट में भी बैलेंस शीट की थोड़ी प्रिपरेशंस की जाती है. तो ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 चैप्टर्स में आप बैलेंस शीट तैयार करते हैं. तो देन यू कैन अज्यूम दैट इन दैट यू विल कैन डू इन द एग्ज़ाम इज़ वेरी प्रॉपरली. तो मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप बैलेंस शीट को पहले अच्छी तरह से याद कर लीजिए या समझ लीजिए दैन व्हाट इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली. Now, what is the meaning of balance sheet? That is, balance sheet is in financial positions of the company, financial strength of the company. That is very important. Second, now in this, the two particular pillar are that one is liability, another is an assets. What is liability and what is an assets? Liability means an debt. और उसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कर्ज़ा होता है. कंपनी कर्ज़ा लेती है फ्रॉम वेरियस पीपल, फ्रॉम वेरियस शेयर होल्डर, फ्रॉम वेरियस equity shareholders, preference shareholders, and from the investor, from the bank, from the lenders, from the creditors. तो ये to collect money for some requirement to run our the business, we need some money. So liabilities have of two types. One is external liabilities and one is internal liabilities. A liability of internal liability is concerned to the partners, it concerned to the owners, and then external liabilities is bank and investors and that. And some provisions are there, some outstanding expenses will become on the liabilities. And one is current liability, one is fixed liability. Current liability will be paid in within 1 year, and fixed liability will be not paid in 1 year, will be go more than 1 year. That will be 5 years and 6 years or 5 years, so like that. So I have given the knowledge about the current liabilities and fixed liability, internal liability and external liability to you. So students, you must learn happily. Second, now assets. Assets will be considered as an beneficial to organizations after a long period of times. After using so many years, and it will be benefit to them. The assets have two types of assets. That is, one is fixed assets and another is current assets. In the fixed assets, the businessman need to purchase a land, machinery, and motor car, and that furniture, and that you need to do some depreciations after some interval period of times. some percentage will be that fixed amount, 10 percentage and 5 percentage about the appreciation. Then the inventories will be on stock, then and investment, and then afterwards current assets. Will receivables, debtor, this or the debtors हो गया, the cash, and cash is also in assets. And then some prepaid expenses and that commission receivables and all that ones. Whatever the incomes are coming will be considered as an assets to an organization. There's nothing hard. You must learn it. If you're ready to learn, you will get a good knowledge. Always smile at that when every day it comes for us to bring a great success in our life. But one thing you need to remember, if you have any queries about regarding about the SYJC contents, is you can almost most welcome for me to ask the questions, and I am ready to help you. Okay, so students, now in this video I have explained about you the balance sheet concept about that, and then another video I'll come with you an adjustment and basic accounting terminology about the debtor creditor. What is that one? So students, you must learn the balance sheet properly. Okay, so have a nice day, take care of yourself, smile it always, and you must think you are a unique person first. You must think that I can do it happily. Take care. Bye bye. And remember always me in dua. And कहते हैं कि हर चीज़ को बनाने वाला ऊपर वाला है, तो बंदा तो फिक्र क्यों करता है। हर चीज़ को बनाने वाला वो है, तो बंदा तो क्यों फिक्र करता है। वो रहमत और मशक्क़त से तुझे देखता है, तो फिक्र किस बात की है तुझे। ऑलवेज थिंक गॉड इज़ ऑलवेज विथ यू। हमेशा अल्लाह भगवान आपके साथ है, तो किस बात का गम है तुझे यार। बाय बाय, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, एंजॉय योरसेल्फ।